Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You already know, do what the prompter asks you to do. Hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell, that little prompter down there. Thank you so much. Thank you for continuing to hit the like button. Hey, I want everybody to check their notification bell and actually, excuse me, check to see if you are subscribed. Even if you're watching it now, you may not be subscribed. All right. Anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. Excuse me. These allergies got me today. And make sure you don't fall for spam in the comment section. I just want to go over some things. But I want to let you guys know that tonight, this is Monday night, myself, I have two analysts, Stocks with Josh and Stock Curry will be going live at 7 Eastern Time. That is 6 p.m. Chicago time. Okay. The president will be heading to Saudi Arabia, to ask for more oil. Oil prices are already starting to fall, and this could have something to do with it. We'll see. But I think that's a short-term solution, but oil prices are falling. So if you notice that your energy stock are coming down, that is why. And remember, when I tell you about the recession or a bear market, we cannot come out of a bear market with high gas prices and high food prices. We just can't. It can't move beyond that. Until that gets better, I don't care what the CPI numbers are, but until that gets better, we cannot start to truly turn around and go on a nice long-term upward movement. I'm not even going to say bull market, just upward movement, okay? So oil does continue to come down. There's 11.3 million jobs open. So for every job seeker out there, there are two jobs yet open. And so that is really important data because job loss and the housing industry, those are the two last dominoes that are left to fall. The housing market is showing signs that it is starting to crumble. We will get into that tonight, so make sure you click this link. Not right now, but there'll be a link here or a box here in this upward corner here to your right, and I just want you to click it, and so you could set your reminder to join us tonight for the live, okay? So if you got a job and you want a second job and you really want to cash up and get ready for the opportunity to make great long-term money from long-term investing, I suggest that you get one of these other jobs. And now is the time that you can negotiate your price. These jobs are paying signing bonuses right now. So if you're looking for a way to cash up, it's simple. Just do that, good people. It's out there. And it won't be forever. It's just this period of time where you can cash up. Some of you guys could cash up and really kill the market. Turn your $5 a day into $20 a day or to $30 a day. Some of you can cash up right now because you may be one of the ones that will suffer a job loss, right? So if you cash up right now, you should have a minimum of 6 months of your expenses saved just in case for a rainy day. And you should not be investing in stock or crypto money that you need. That is not what you do, okay? We will cover some of that tonight, all right? All right. It's earnings seasons and it is banks. So banks, the financial industry will be having their earnings report this week. And I got out of most of my financials, not most, but a lot. And I still have some financials, and I'm still waiting for it to come. We will see if the higher interest rates are paying off for the banks or not. I don't think it's going to I don't think anybody's going to knock the ball out of the park and then financials, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, all of these, I don't think any of them are just going to have double digits, like going up 11, 12%. That's not going to happen. Not in this bear market. Good news is just so lackluster in the bear market. It is what it is. Now, here's what's happening on Wednesday. Wednesday, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, which is a gauge that measures goods and services. It measures inflation. All right, goods and services that you and I consume. CPI, Consumer Price Index. The numbers are coming out this Wednesday, and it was 8.6 last time. Analysts are thinking it should come in about 8.8. So 8.8 is not the beat. 8.6 is the beat. We're trying to beat 8.6, not 8.8. Now, I'm glad that analysts are expecting it to come in at 8.8, because if it comes down a little lower, then the market won't take it too bad to the chin. Because I believe regardless of what it comes out to be, it's still going to be higher than it needs to be. So I usually predict what the market is going to do. I'm not going to try that. It's 2 days from now. We're going to see what the market does. Sometimes it comes up higher and the market still is green because the market was waiting on it. Now, what we need to see is if the Fed increased their interest rates another 75 basis points, which the market has priced in because it's what the Fed said they were going to do. And I believe they're still on that trajectory. But let's wait and see what the data says. Okay? It's just that simple. Let's wait and see what the data says, and then the Fed will make their adjustment after that. Okay? So we're just going to wait for the data to come out. All right? So that's what I wanted. Those are some of the key things that I wanted to talk about in making this video. There's a lot that's going on with earnings. Let me go back to earnings. Now, remember about a month ago, I was talking about forward earnings, right? And forward guidance. So a lot of these banks and just earnings season, period, regardless if it's banks or whatever, if they have not lowered their forward guidance, that is actually not good for the market. Remember, we talked about this about a month ago. And the ones that are lowering, that have lowered their forward guidance, that's actually better for the market, right? And so if you don't hit your numbers, you get an F, right? If you fail the test, you get an F. And that's what the forward guidance is, or the forward earnings. So if their forward numbers, if they say, hey, we don't expect to hit the mark that we, the forecast that we thought, so now we got to lower that in, let's say, in automobiles, in deliveries, or with banks, accounts, and the amount of money they're going to put in. I mean, the amount of money that they're going to earn, if they say that's going to be lower, that's not going to be good for the market. What they should have did was say that earlier last month when I was telling you guys they should have lowered, months ago actually, lowered forward guidance. And then if they hit above the lower forward guidance, then that would be good for the stock market. All right. And so this is going to be a volatile week. Either way it goes, it's going to be volatile. If we have a green day, it's definitely going to be a fake pump, because the true number, the big number, is coming out on the 28th, and that's GDP, gross domestic product. If it comes out low, so you got inflation high and GDP low, then we are already in a recession and have been this entire year. I've been saying that, just like a lot of YouTubers and analysts have been saying, we're already in a soft recession, right? And so, to be honest with you, it really doesn't matter what the number comes out to be. We're in a recession. Look at some of your stock, okay? So I want to leave you with that. We're going to dig deeper into this tonight with two analysts. That will be Stocks with Josh and that'll be Stock Curry. So please join us tonight. Just click that box and then hit the reminder, and we will see you tonight. Hey, listen, you guys already know I'm going to deem this Moo Moo Monday, and on Wednesday it will be Weeble Wednesday. So I got 2 links below. Because this is Moo Moo Monday, I want you to download Moo Moo, deposit a penny, deposit $100, deposit $2,000, actually deposit whatever you want to deposit. Get that account funded today, and we will be discussing what we're going to be doing with that probably tonight, okay? So let's get those accounts funded. Right now, those of you that are following me, we're just cashing up over there, and we haven't done anything. We're just putting cash there, right? So if you're on your cell phone, just go to where the description is, tap that, and then you'll see the links. And if you want to read more, tap more, okay? All right, good people, we'll see you tonight. Live, love, laugh, and learn.